talking dead, though we think we're living. Black zombies, we just copycat, following the system. Black zombies. Hey yo, we trapped in our own brain, fuck behind bars, we've already gone insane. They've already gave up, cut our own heads off, stab our own backs and dream too much without fulfilling reality. Too greedy and can't have one or two chains, we need three of them. Can't have one or two guns without squeezing them on our own people. And fuck black leaders, cause whites ain't got none leading them. The rhythm is cosmic, Nas is divinity, the deity's prophet. Let's all get down and get up. Victims walk around with Down syndrome all stuck, fainting, shouting, catching Holy Ghost in church. Scared to do it for ourselves lest we see somebody doing it first. We begged, we prayed, petitioned and demonstrated just to make another generation. Black zombies, walking, talking dead, though we think we're living. Black zombies, we just copycat, following the system. Black zombies, walking, talking dead.